Hey there, let's get real for a second. As November arrives and holiday catalogs stack up, let's talk honestly about what it means to host during the season. The holidays can be wonderful, but they can also be overwhelming. Sometimes the season feels less like peace on earth and more like wishing for 5 quiet minutes to yourself. If you're listening, you likely have a beautiful home and much to be grateful for. Many of my clients do as well. On paper, everything looks perfect. Yet behind curated tablescapes and artfully arranged wreaths, you may carry burdens, responsibilities to host, to provide a sanctuary, to create magic for your loved ones. So many families come to me during the holidays, longing for their homes to feel like true sanctuaries. I want to share a philosophy I use with clients who want their homes to serve them as well as they serve others, especially during the holidays. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You invite everyone over, proud of your home, and after a few days, you find yourself hiding in the laundry room just to get a moment alone. If you ever consider faking an emergency Zoom call just to escape, you're not alone. This is what happens when your home becomes the center of family drama, unsolicited opinions, and guests who overstay their welcome. I'm not here to critique your hospitality or teach you party tricks. Rather, I want to share the design principles I use with clients. Thoughtful choices that honor both your guest and your own needs. These allow you to give, care, and reclaim your peace in your own home. Let's talk boundaries. Yes, the B word. Not the kind that involves awkward conversations. The kind that saves your sanity. Want to keep the party going without losing your mind? Pick a signature candle scent for parties over. When that thing's burning, it's code for let's wind down. Or, if you're feeling bold, invest in a guest room door that actually locks. You can blame it on the dog. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Social spaces matter. I call these conversation islands. For one family, we placed a single armchair in a sunroom. It became the accepted spot for a 5-minute escape. Keep a favorite book or a pair of headphones visible. When you need a break, you take it without guilt. Great design is not just about how things look. It protects your energy. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as a chair. Who already has a designated panic chair? Let me guess, it's in the bathroom. And let's not forget the magic tricks. Secret bars, hidden doors, the stuff that makes your home feel like a Bond movie. If you got a study that doubles as your personal Batcave, use it. There's no shame in retreating for some peace, especially when the alternative is hearing another story about your aunt's gluten-free journey. Let me be real. I used to think being a great host meant being a human buffet, always available, never saying no. Many of my most accomplished clients learned that this leads to burnout. The best thing you can do is show your guests what peace looks like. If you want to take a nap or step for a bath, do it. When you are relaxed, your guests will be too. Your home can help you set that tone. Even your car in the driveway. Heated seats, anyone? The point is, you need a spot that's just for you. If it's just for 5 minutes, that's not selfish. It's genius. My clients always say, This one tweak changes everything. They come back to the party with more patience and maybe a smile. Rituals matter. I help clients create small traditions that become part of the home. When you dim the lights or light a favorite candle, people understand it's time to wind down. Changing into pajamas can signal the end of the evening. Make it a tradition. Your guest will notice and appreciate it. Luxury is not about being flashy. It's about feeling at ease in your space. Your home should work for you. If you need to step away for a moment of comfort, do it. The holidays are about comfort, not performance. Hosting is not about perfection. It's about being yourself. Your home should reflect who you are, not look like a museum. Let your guests see the real you. They will remember your warmth and authenticity long after the details fade. Host boldly, love deeply, and when the clock strikes 10, we all light the same mountain pine candle together. That's the signal. Tomorrow, we do this again. But tonight, the house excels with us. This is the philosophy I bring into every project, where design becomes a form of care. Thank you for letting me into your space. May you find both freedom and belonging this season and always.